Okay guys, time's come. It's time to tear this down. We're gonna be turning this 2021 CRF450 Works Edition into a three-wheeler. So let's follow along and get this done. All right guys, welcome to the channel. So what do you think, RJ? How long is it going to take you to turn this thing into a trike?
Oh man, probably.
First one, right?
Yeah, first one.
Let's see what happens. Okay guys, triple clamps just came off the mill. Just getting them washed up. So this is for the 2021 project. So these are going to get powder coated to match the OEM triple clamps, and should make the bike look pretty sick when it's done. Pretty much it, guys. So this is about the stage where we're going to actually start bolting our parts onto the bike. We're going to do our billet triple clamps, our custom swing arm, and of course our subframe, and all the modifications to the plastic that go into making this thing look and perform like a three-wheeler. So we already actually have a swing arm built for this, sitting right here, powder coated, ready to go. It's going to be the first thing going on it. Also got our new anti-fade lock nut. This is something a lot of customers have been asking us to make, so we did bring this in-house. Pretty excited about these guys. These will be available on our website pretty soon for the Honda CRF450R. If there's enough requests, we will be making them for other models too. These are going to be the rims. Gonna try out the Gold Speeds beadlock rims this time. Change it up a little bit. We're having a hard time getting tires from Maxxis, so we're going with the Sunna front tire. Some Sunna rear tires. It's pretty much a copy of the Razor Cross tire. Pretty damn close, so give that a whirl. And we do have some axle components. That's from RPM. Going with the RPM Dominator axle on this one. So guys, stay tuned for part 2, and we're gonna get this thing rolling. Thanks for the support, guys. It's like rolling the tire off. Here we go.
No, you got her, bud.
Just put the forks down a little bit. Stop, put the forks down.
You got it? Tilt it, the middle one, tilt it.
Water's heavy. Just steer the other way. Other way.
Keep going.
There's Parker right there. New forklift operator. Just can answer the phone and operate the forklifts.
Bud, we got 21 715s on it.